Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix microphone not working on your Honor 600 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is clean the microphone port. So we all know that the microphone port is at the bottom right here, close to the SIM card tray. So we want to make sure that we clean it out thoroughly. We can use a microfiber cloth, but that's not working pretty well. We can also use a soft brush, which is working good, and the best all of them is simply the air compressor. So after cleaning it, what are we going to do is we're going to go over and we want to make sure that we simply check for the recorder app on our device. Now we tap on it right here, and as you guys can see, it is now recording, and we can record for more than 10 hours, but it is not really helpful. We're gonna click here. We want to make sure that we enable transcribe because we want to see our text, and sometimes it is loading it automatically and sometimes it just doesn't. Oh yes, it is loading it, and that's basically how we can check how it works exactly. So we're gonna go over and stop right now, and we know that it is working because it just picked up what I was saying. What are we going to do next is we're going to simply restart the phone to refresh the system if it's not working for you. So press the power button, the volume up button at the same time, tap on the restart, and tap again to restart the phone. Now it is restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once the phone is restarted. Now after the restart, what we're going to do as a last resort is update our software to fix any mic glitches. So go over into the settings. Now here in the settings, we're going to swipe down to System and Updates, almost at the bottom, and tap on Software Update. As you guys can see, I have a new version available, and if you also do, then make sure to click on Software Version. Now you will see the button to install it. Because I do have it downloaded, you can see the button to download and install it, and basically it's done. After the software update, you should see that you have the latest system version right here where it says the new version available, and that's basically it for the video. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.